Hi friends, today we are talking about what is the difference between repair and rework. In industry, these two terms are used frequently. So today we knowing about what is the key difference between repair and rework. So first of all, we see the definition of repair and rework. So as per ISO 9000-2015 and IATF 16949-2016, we define some definition of rework and repair. So rework, it is an action on non-conforming product or services to make it conform to the requirements. Okay, here product matches the specification or drawing. In rework process, the product non-conforming product will be matched as per specifications or as per drawing. Okay friends, rework process, in rework process, product having lower risk as compared to repair, and in this case customer permission is not required if it is not mentioned in CSR, customer specific requirement. If mentioned, then you will take a permission. If not mentioned in CSR, then you not take a permission of customer. So now we move the definition of repair. It is an action on non-conforming product or services to make it acceptable for the intended use. Okay friends, after repair, the product is ready to use functionally, but it not meet the specifications or as per drawing. Friends, in repair process, the product having high risk as compared to rework, and in this case customer permission is required. It is mandatory for the customer required permissions. Friends, for easy understand what is the key difference between repair and rework, we put some examples. You see, this is a round steel bar, and this steel bar having 100 plus minus 0.5. This round bar length is given here. This is a specification, and their lower length is 99.5 and higher length is 100.5. If this length, round bar length, is in between this specification, then it will be okay, otherwise it will be not okay, considered as non-conforming product. So friend, after machining we got that the round bar length is 101 mm. After machining we got that these round bar dimension will be not meet as a specification dimensions. It will be higher. Okay, so what will be doing on this round bar? After remachining, we cut this portion of round bar and meet as a specification limit. It will be 99.5, 99.6 up to the 100.5. Again, you see here friends, we have a job round bar and its specification is given 100 plus minus 0.5, but after machining we got their dimension is 101. It is out of tolerance. What will you do on this product? After remachining, this portion is cut out and meet their specification limit, then this is okay. We are not adding extra material. We remove the material from this round bar, not foreign material adding in this round bar. Now we taking another example. This is a bike tire and specification pressure is given 65 to 95 psi pounds per square inch. The pressure in this bike is limited, it will be 65 to 95, but after some time their pressure will be decreased below the 65. Then what will be you do? We doing adding some extra air in this tire and meet their specification limit. Adding in this tire extra pressure. Okay, so this is a process we'll be talking about rework process. Now we move to repair process. Now we talking about repair. This is same round bar having a specification 100 plus minus 0.5, but after machining we got their dimension length is 98. Here the length will be short. Then what will we do? Taken action is, after welding this length will be increased, and after remachining we got their specification limit, their limit in under tolerance. Here we adding extra material in this round bar. Now what is another example of repair? Here this tire will be punctured out. Here this tire will be punctured out. Then what will we do? We add a patchage like this here, and then it will be used as a intended process. So I hope you enjoy this video. What is the key difference between repair and rework?